How to fix Windows laptop camera not working. To fix Windows laptop camera not working, try 1. Basic tips are: restart your computer. Restart and update the camera related app or program. Or try a different app. Use a different user profile. Update Windows. Use Windows Hardware Troubleshooter to inspect for any potential physical damage. Try pressing FN+. F6, especially if you're using some MSI laptop. 2. Try F8 key and see if you disabled your laptop camera. 3. Enable your laptop camera in Device Manager. 4. Enable 2 options in Windows settings: camera access for this device is off and allow apps to access your camera. 5. Ensure your apps have camera access. 6. Check for driver updates using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Disable then re-enable your camera in Device Manager. 8. Run your laptop camera in Windows Clean Boot or, when you disable your antivirus software. If this works, make an exception for the camera. 9. Disable privacy mode in your webcam. 10. Check BIOS settings and allow camera related option to run. 11. Disconnect and reconnect camera. 12. Reset your computer.